Woo, woo, woo. There's a real emergency. Gotta take my coat off. If there's a real emergency, do I leave my coat on?
I would think so.
But I'm taking my stuff off.
Okay.
That's how my fire works.
Okay. Now what? Now what do you do? Is the emergency over? It's over? You ready? Gonna do a deep bend and do a big jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3.